everyone, I'm Teacher Clara.
And I'm Teacher Yuka. Today, we will be making a present you can give for Valentine's Day.
This teddy bear with a heart is so fun to make. And it's not just a gift for Valentine's Day. You can give it as a present for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, or any special occasion you like. Let's get started, Teacher Yuka.
Sure.
Are you ready? Yes, we are! What do we need? We need origami paper, 2 for the bear, 1 for the heart, and 1 for the mouth, a pen or marker, and glue. Now we're ready. Let's have fun folding together. First, let's make the teddy bear's face. Fold the paper into a triangle to make a crease in the middle. Fold the ends towards the center. Turn the paper upside down and fold the flaps up to make the ears. Align the bottom corner with the beginning of the fold. Fold the tips and the corners slightly. Fold the top part and the sides down. The teddy bear's face is finished! Yay! Next, we're going to make the teddy bear's body. Fold the paper in half to make a crease in the middle. Fold both edges to the center. Fold it in half to make another crease. Fold both edges to the center. Fold it into a triangle to make a crease. Open along the crease. Fold the tips diagonally and fold the corners slightly. Fold the sides inward. Open diagonally. Fold it up once and then fold the bottom part. Fold the white part and fold the corners a little bit. Fold the other side in the same way. Fold the corners backwards and fold the top part down. Hooray! The teddy bear's body is now complete. Finally, let's make the heart. Fold the paper in half to make a crease. Fold the bottom edge to the center. Fold the paper in half to make a crease. Fold the bottom edge to the center. Fold the bottom corner to the center. Now, put a finger in and open it. Fold up diagonally and fold the tips a little bit. Fold both edges and the bottom part to the center. The heart is now finished. Great job! Now let's put everything together. Put glue on top of the body and place the teddy's head. Glue the mouth on the teddy bear's face. Draw the details of the face with a pen or marker. Add the heart and fold the hands in. Let's add more details. Wow, so cute! Great job, everyone! Now, to make your present even more special, you can write a sweet message like this one.
Thanks for watching.